Initial D.
Are you ready for this, partner?
Yep, ready as I'll ever be. If you ask me, that your car might be cooler than mine, but I'm feeling pretty confident that my 86 is gonna win.
Well, then prove your car.
Three, two, one, go!
Dang, he's a fast one. But I will know the drill. If there's a gutter, then I'm taking it.
Yeehaw! Now that's what I'm talking about.
I don't know if I feel confident enough. This turn will be the last gutter. If he takes on the outside, then I'll go to the inside and take the gutter. There it is. Go for it.
I'll make you feel right. Take my fire.
I did it. I got this in the bag. Huh? Where the hell did he go? What? That's not even possible at all. How can a crappy horsepower car can be much more faster than my Evo 4? He's taking the inside. Dang it.
Over my lover and give me second. Ain't nothing on my
Let's go. Well, another race completed.
Well, I guess you're probably right. Your 86 is pretty good.
Yes, this is why they call me Cray, the DK.
Well, I guess you're right. But for now, I gotta go. So I'll see you soon.
Alright, see ya, Tunner.
Hey, what's good, Gray?
Hey, Fumbot.
Do you want to hang out with me?
Well, sure, get on my car, let's go.
Alright.